Liqui Moly jectron does an amazing job cleaning fuel injectors. You won't believe what we have in store for you today. First, take a look at this fuel injector. It's partially clogged up. Liqui Moly definitely has its work cut out for it. Check out Liqui Moly's claim to fame. Cleans injectors without removal, restores performance and durability, reduces pollution and fuel consumption. Also eliminates hard starting and a rough idle. Now add the entire contents of this can to your fuel. Since I'm not adding the Liqui Moly to an actual fuel tank, we'll use 5% Liqui Moly and 95% gasoline. I was skeptical of Liqui Moly until time and time again they proved to make quality products. Finally, in one moment, we'll see if Liqui Moly jectron is the best fuel injector cleaner. And if you'd like to see a product tried in the next video, just comment below and subscribe, and I'll choose your idea next. And after 2 treatments using 5% Liqui Moly, this is where I started to finally notice a difference. Now let's take a look at the side-by-side comparison before and after using the Liqui Moly jectron. Thanks for watching Nate's Interactive Auto.